Let's do that.
You have to use the end of the broom, Fiona.
Mom!
The other end.
But what is it going to do now good to chase it out?
It pokes it, and it moves. It moved much quicker with that end than that end. Because that end won't get under there. This end will.
I want to hold this end. I have more control. Oh, it moved already. Who knows?
Open the gate.